Let's bake a carrot cake. It's been a while and I got a new setup. I actually moved across country from California to Washington, D.C. 2 cups flour. I'm a little nervous because this is my first time really baking in here and I know I don't have all the right paper cup. Pause. I know I don't have all the right equipment, so we'll see how this goes. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. You hear the car horn? Noises of the city. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. So I moved about 2 weeks ago, fairly recent. Looking forward to exploring so much more, but I gotta say, humidity and mosquitoes, what? In a separate bowl, we're gonna need 1 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using avocado oil. Best part about my location is there's a Whole Foods directly underneath me, so it's a little dangerous, but overall good. Sugar, we're gonna need about 1 cup, but I always do a little bit less. I don't like it so sweet. We're also adding the same amount of brown sugar. About 1 cup, but a little less for me. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Maybe a little more. Whisk this nice and good. Add 4 eggs, 1 at a time. Now the dry goes into the wet. Oh, I missed you guys, I really did. Trying to do more of these, of course, and get back into things. All right, now it's time for the carrots, which I am dreading because you need grated carrots and I don't have a grater. But I bought this little 3-in-1 slicer that has these little grating things, and we're gonna see quickly if it's gonna work or not. I hope so. Otherwise, I'm chopping up the carrots and it's gonna be a chunky cake. First, just gonna peel all of them. That's not working. I'm using the last blade. I mean, not bad, right? Making this cake for my roommate's boyfriend because my roommate does not like carrot cake and my roommate's boyfriend does really like carrot cake and I love carrot cake. So the only real time I'll have someone else to eat the cake with me is when he visits. Okay, that took no time at all. And some chopped pecans. Now you fold it all in. Okay, grease, flour, and I'm gonna put some parchment paper at the bottom. Okay, divide the batter. Bake 350 for about 40 minutes. One's done and cooling, the second one just came out. Now we're making cream cheese frosting. I'm gonna start with 8 ounces of soft, very soft, make it easy on yourself, cream cheese, and powdered sugar. You can also add a little bit of vanilla extract, and if it's too thick, you can add some milk. Now we're gonna frost. Ooh. A few more pecans. I think it looks good.